How to process an Alipay or WeChat Pay purchase transaction on a standalone terminal. First, press the F1 key to initiate a purchase transaction. Key in the purchase amount followed by the Enter key. At the card input screen, tap on WeChat Pay or Alipay button that will launch the Skyzer Connect application. The terminal will display the purchase amount in New Zealand dollars with Alipay or WeChat Pay button. Select Alipay or WeChat Pay to make the payment. At this stage, the QR code will be generated and displayed on the terminal screen. Scan the QR code using your Alipay or WeChat Pay phone wallet. Enter your PIN to complete the sale. The transaction will be processed and approved. The terminal will return to the Paymark EFTPOS screen. An electronic receipt will be available on the customer's Alipay or WeChat Pay phone wallet. Alipay or WeChat Pay refund transaction on a standalone terminal. The refund can only be performed within 90 days for a WeChat Pay transaction and within 1 year for an Alipay transaction. The refund value cannot exceed the original value of the transaction for both. Please advise the customer that they will need to provide the electronic receipt information to request any refunds. To process a refund transaction through Alipay or WeChat Pay, press the F3 key to initiate a refund transaction. Swipe the merchant refund card. Enter merchant refund PIN, followed by the Enter key. Then enter the refund amount, followed by the Enter key. Then at the card input screen, tap on WeChat Pay or Alipay button that will launch the Skyzer Connect application. Enter transaction number followed by the Enter key. Then enter refund PIN number followed by the Enter key. The transaction will be displayed on the screen. Verify the transaction and then press Enter. Once verified, refund transaction will be processed and approved. The terminal will then return to the Paymark EFTPOS screen. An electronic receipt will be available on the customer's Alipay or WeChat Pay phone wallet.